We had outlined 4 goals at the start of the year: Make in India, women-led development, farm prosperity, and sustainability. And I must say that the FICCI team has just done an outstanding job. Really thrilled to see the level of progress, because there are very specific actions outlined for each one that we've achieved this year, and we've got targets for a 3-year period. So for manufacturing, we're looking at getting India from 3.1% of global manufacturing share to 5%. For farm prosperity, we're looking at 8 lakh crores of agri-exports, which is a pretty ambitious target in itself. For sustainability, 30% in EVs for 4-wheelers, 80% penetration for electric 3-wheelers, and a 17% reduction in industrial emissions. And for women-led development, a 5% point increase in penetration, as well as skilling 40 lakh women in the next 3 years. And a series of activities have been outlined. There are 100 plus initiatives with inputs from 500 CEOs across member companies, and working closely with 30 plus ministries. So there just has been a lot of effort that's gone in, and more importantly, these are efforts that will lead to specific outcomes.
So I wanted to also talk to you specifically about the manufacturing footprint, and of course, the Prime Minister has spoken over and over again on the need to make India a big manufacturing powerhouse, not just built for India but for the world as well. What more needs to be done from an industry, from a policy perspective, to sort of reach that 5% goal that you were talking about?
There are 3 specific things. First is quality. That is important, and there are a number of initiatives around innovation, R&D, and therefore leading to higher quality. Second is cost of doing business, and third is ease of business. So it's a combination of these things that will allow India to start becoming the manufacturing hub of the world.
One final question. So you had a target of 30% electrification by 2030. Is that target on track? Could you give us a sense of that?
Well, from a Mahindra standpoint, I think that target will be met before then. We are launching our electric vehicles next week, in fact, as you know. And I will wait for the products to speak for themselves once they're launched.